Hello everyone. Let's start with our next topic, that is assignment and compound operators. Okay. So um, assignment operator, there is only one assignment operator. You can call others as compound operators because compound is a word used when um, we mix two values or two elements. Okay. So let's first work with assignment operator. So assignment operator is very easy. We already used them in our previous sessions. So if I write a is equals to 10, value of a is 10. Okay. So if we assign 20 to a and print the value of a, it will print 20. Correct? Because initially value of a is 10, later we changed it to this, so now a is representing 20. Okay, so that's why when we print a, it will give you 20. Now here equals to is an assignment operator. Whatever return right side of it will execute first and then assign to the variable in the left side. Okay, so this is how assignment operators work. So if we talk about compound operators, so compound and assignments, you can call them assignment operator also, but they also called compound operators. So they are plus equals to, minus equals to, multiply equals to, divide equals to, okay, uh, exponents equals to, you can calculate floor equals to. So these are variables, or one more thing, we can use these. So all the mathematical operators or assignment operators, sorry, arithmetic operators can be combined with assignment operator, and together they make compound operators, and they look like this. So in Python doesn't support unary operators like plus plus and minus minus, just like C and C++, but Python supports compound operators because both of them work same. So let's use one of them. Let's start with a equals to 10. Now I'm working on plus equals to. Okay, so if you write plus equals to 10 or 5, for example, what will be the output? So this statement internally means this. Okay, so whatever the value of a, that is 10, just add 5 to it and assign that value again in the same variable. Okay, so a is 10, on this line 10 plus 5 will be 15, 15 will be assigned again in a. So if you run this, value of a is 15. Okay, so this is how plus equals to work. Let's move forward and take some of examples. So if I write 10 and I'm going to use minus equals to, 2. Okay, if you write the value of a, what this particular line means, this means a is equals to a minus 2. Okay, so value of a is 10, 10 minus 2 will be 8, 8 will be assigned again in a. Correct, 8. Okay, let's move forward and take some more examples. For example, b is equals to 20. b b divide equals to 2. So this means b is equals to b divided by 2. Okay, if you print the value of b, what will be the output? So it will become 10, 10 will be assigned into b, and the output will be b. Correct. Let's move forward and take one more example. Let's suppose we are working on exponents. Okay, so if I write 3, c exponent equals to 2, so or 3, so this means c is equals to c exponent 3. Okay, if you print c, the value of c, So C is 3, 3 to the power 3, that means 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 will be assigned into C and the output will be 27, correct? Let's take modulus equals to as well. So if I write D is equals to 10 and D is equals to, sorry, modulo equals to 3, okay? Let's take 4. 4 will be better. So if I write this, what will be the output? D is equals to D modulus 4. Okay, so value of D is 10. 10 modulus 4 will give us the remainder of 2. 2 will be assigned in D and the output will be 2. Correct? So this is how assignment operators work. Assignment and compound operators work. Okay, so the last part of operators are membership operators and identity operators. These two we will cover with list, and they are easy to understand when we are working on list or tuple or any iterable. Okay, so let's move forward with our next topic, that is conditional statements. Okay, so that's it.